Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records. In today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this amazing MIDI kit. It's a lo-fi R&B MIDI kit. Before I go on, guys, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. So to demonstrate this, I'll be using the Nix's grand piano just to show you how this actually works. So I'm gonna go ahead and just delete this just to make some space here. So I'm gonna delete this first. Just a minute. Alright, so I'm gonna load up Nix's. So the BPM is already set to 130, so I'm gonna go ahead and play the first one for you. Determined. Sorry for that. Sorry, gotta change it. Yeah. Emotion. Make that money. Need of love. Never told. Real talk. Sounds in my head. Talk about it. Then you guys already know this one. You heard it in the intro. So man, you can just hear for yourself. This is a crazy ass MIDI. You gotta get this MIDI, man. It's crazy. I promise you, you won't regret it. You gotta get this thing. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna play you the loop. There's a loop in here as well. There's a one loop. It's called My Time Alone. I'll go ahead and play that for you. Sorry for that. So yeah, that's a loop. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna try and make a drum pattern on top of one of these midis, just to show you what you can actually do with this thing and make crazy amazing beats with this. So I'm gonna use the Major Static Chances Lo-Fi Drum Kit. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm trying to figure out which one I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use Need of Love for this one. Alright. Sorry for that. Go back to the pattern. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. So let's go ahead and use the Major Static Lo-Fi Drum Kit. Shout out to Major Static for that. It's a crazy ass drum kit. So let's make a drum pattern. If we kick right now. Alright, so let's go ahead and make a drum pattern with this. Quick, whatever. Alright. Kind of chilled out vibe, you know. Just trying to make this. So let's go ahead and put a whatever hi-hat. Just to make the beat a little bit dynamic. So let's look for a closed hi-hat. I'm gonna use this one here. So man, yeah guys, you gotta get this MIDI kit. It's a crazy ass MIDI kit. I promise you, you won't regret it. So, and please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. That's the only way that we actually know that you guys are actually checking out the content that we're producing out here. So, you guys have any suggestions, just let me know, you know. So I'm pretty much done here. So yeah man, there you have it guys, there you have it. It's a crazy ass MIDI kit, you gotta get this MIDI kit. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and play with this thing, you know, enjoy. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Goodbye.